ChatGPT, the AI chatbot that can write poems, translate languages, and even code. It's the ultimate tool for creativity and productivity. But what if I told you there were things I wish I knew before I started using it? Scene script. ChatGPT can be incredibly impressive, but be warned, the hype is real. Don't fall into the trap of thinking it's a magic bullet for all your problems. ChatGPT is still under development, and it's not perfect. It can make mistakes, generate factually incorrect information, and even be plagiaristic. Always fact-check and edit its output carefully. But when used correctly, ChatGPT can be an invaluable tool. It can help you research, brainstorm, and even learn new things. Think of it as a partner, not a replacement for your own creativity and critical thinking. ChatGPT isn't a magic shortcut, but it can be a powerful tool if you use it right. I'm glad I learned its limitations, but I'm also grateful for the possibilities it opened up. So, if you're thinking about using ChatGPT, remember, it's a powerful tool, but it's not a magic bullet. Use it wisely, critically, and ethically. And most importantly, don't forget the power of your own creativity and critical thinking. ChatGPT can be a game changer, but only if you know how to use it. With the right approach, it can be a powerful partner on your journey towards creativity and productivity.